nothing, just cold wind and silence. You were always just out of reach. Loving you is like chasing shadows in the dark. I reach, but there's nothing to hold. It's like lighting a candle in a snowstorm. I called your name, but only the wind whispered back, whispering sweet nothings to me. You came and went like a ghost in the hallway, close enough to feel, never close enough to keep. I gave you the last of what I had. You never asked for it, but you took it just the same. Loving you is like chasing shadows in the dark. I'm trying to warm my hands on a dying flame. I never left, but I keep coming. Never left, but I keep coming back. Because the memory of heat still fools me. Some of us call it love, but love doesn't leave you out in the cold. Love doesn't leave you when you need it most. Whatever this was, it sure as hell wasn't love. I still walk that road sometimes, not to find you, but to remind myself of what I lost chasing